Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are explore an amazing topic of Photoshop, how to create professional logo placement on any background in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and import background image, then drag your logo PNG into the canvas. Press Ctrl plus T and resize logo properly. Place logo in one corner. Go to the layer panel and select logo layer. Now change blend mode to overlay or soft light. Lower opacity to match background. Double click logo layer to open layer style. Add a very soft drop shadow. Reduce shadow opacity heavily. Increase blur for realism. Then press OK. Now zoom in and check edges. Also adjust size if logo feels too strong. Keep it subtle.